How to attract your ex back. Hi, this is Coach Abby. Thank you for joining me today at Love Advice TV. We're going to refer to the most simplest of simple things when we refer to with my ex again. And it's our goal, how to attract your ex back. First and foremost, do not reinvent the wheel. It's quite easy if you really think about it. Keep it simple, silly, or as they say in corporate America, kiss. Remember what attracted them to you at the very beginning. Were you authentic? Were you spontaneous? Were you charming? Were you funny? Were you simple? That's the person that you have to reinvent yourself to be that person once again. Regain your self-confidence. Sometimes we're in a relationship and we start feeling overwhelmed by the emotions of the relationship and we lose our self-confidence because we're so concerned as to how they feel in the relationship. And we really shouldn't. We need to always keep in mind that whatever it is that we have is what attracted them in the very beginning. Be very patient during this process as well. I mean, you can't really manipulate a person to want to go back with you. You have to reseduce them gently, subliminally. You know, don't put them on a pedestal. Don't make them think that they are the only and last fish in the sea. That's very unattractive. Showcase your strength, your quality, your attributes. Social media is an amazing place to leverage yourself. Rebrand yourself. Keep yourself at all times interesting. And it's so important not only for them, but for yourself, for your own personal growth. You see, you have to be authentic to yourself in order to portray and convey that message that we want our ex to remember us by. And if we just focus on being that same person that attracted them in the first place, we simplify the process. Be social. Extend your social group. Stretch your comfort zone. If you have to date. It's okay. Remember, when a person is not with us, they relinquish all rights to dominate or manipulate of sorts our social life. When we all of a sudden find ourselves in a bigger circle, our self-confidence along the way is nourished. And that's very important because you will start feeling in such a way so empowered that when you do have any type of conversation with your ex, it's attractive. It's not needy. It doesn't come across as, please, I need you more than anything. No, take them off that pedestal. Don't put yourself on the pedestal either. The situation is to attract each other in the same way you attracted it in the first place. So don't reinvent the wheel. Just keep it simple. Keep it lighthearted. Keep it fun. That's the most fundamental steps in attracting your ex back. It would be my pleasure to have a session with you. And through it, we can discuss on how we should remove certain layers. We become so dramatic every time we reach out or speak with our exes. We go right back to everything that made the breakup happen instead of going right back to everything that seduced them in the first place. Please do not hesitate to put your comments in the section below. I will respond to each and every one of them in a timely fashion. I look forward for you to also subscribing to our channel. It's for you. We do it for you. Coach Alex, Adrian, Natalie, it's all about you. Take advantage of this opportunity. I look so forward to be able to, once again, reinforce the issues that we discuss in our videos on a one-to-one session. Until next time, I'm Coach Abby.